Volkswagen, tailspin, bucket matches my pale skin. Mailwin, went from Hellman's and being rail thin for laughing. Scribbles Jam Rap Olympics, 97, freak Nick, how can I be down mean? Bazaar in Florida, Bruce room, slept on the Florida motel then. Dr. Dre said hell yeah, and I got it stamped like a postcard, word to mailman. And I know they're gonna hate, but I don't care, I barely can wait to hit 'em with the snare and the bass square in the face. This fucking world better prepare to get laced, because they're gonna taste my venom. I got that adrenaline in 'em, not going with 'em, never gonna slow up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum.